Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need PHP and MySQL installed. Once done, create a project folder and open index. HTML plus DB Connect. PHP. First, decide whether to use Mysql or PDO for the connection. I recommend PDO for prepared statements and safer queries. Next, set DB credentials as variables in DB Connect. PHP. Host, user, password, database. Make sure your web server serves the project folder and that PHP can execute. Once the connection file exists, you're ready to build the HTML form that will send data to PHP. Start by creating an HTML form using method equals post and appropriate name attributes for each input. This lets PHP access values via $post. In submit, PHP include DB Connect. PHP and sanitize and validate each incoming field, trim strings, cast numbers, check lengths. Then prepare an insert or select with PDO. Prepare and bind parameters before execute. This protects you from injection. After executing, check row count or last insert ID to confirm success, and return a clear response to the user or redirect them to a confirmation page. Finish by testing the full flow. Fill the form, submit, and verify the expected row appears in MySQL. If something fails, wrap PDO operations in try/catch and log the exception message to a file while showing a user-friendly error. Make sure error reporting is off in production, but enabled during development. Also check server error logs and PHP error log. If nothing writes to the database, recheck host, port, username, password, database name, and that the user has insert privileges. These are the most common causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.